Welcome back. We're continuing the news. A day after Pan-Caribbean Sugar issued a statement, the Ministry of Health and Wellness is advising members of the public not to consume packaged sugar produced by the company. This as a preliminary laboratory test has identified metal fragments in samples of the brand of sugar purchased at retail outlets. The ministry says this may pose a significant health risk if ingested. The public is being urged to safely discard this brand of sugar and await further updates. The ministry says an immediate stop order has also been placed on the production, distribution, and sale of all Pan-Caribbean Sugar Company products. The ministry says once laboratory tests confirm that any food safety risks have been resolved and the product is safe for consumption, further updates will be provided. In a statement Wednesday, Pan-Caribbean said the issue was limited and that new safety measures are already in place with no further contamination detected.